Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use card pointers on PC. Let's get started. First, open your PC browser and go to cardpointers.com and click Login. You can sign in with Google, email, or Magic Link, whichever method that you normally use. Now, to use the card pointers on PC while you shop online, you can visit the card pointers extension in the Chrome Web Store. You can click Add to Chrome, or for the Firefox, you can visit the card pointers extension in Firefox add-ons store and install it. And after installing it, you can pin the extension to your toolbar so it's easy to click. Click the card pointers icon in your browser toolbar and if prompted, log in again. Your best card to use on shopping sites, any Amex, Chase, and more offers you have, and a dashboard where you can sort, filter offers, and activate them for use. The extension can auto add eligible offers when you log into the bank websites. So you don't need the apply offers manually as long as the extension is active. If you want the card pointers in its own window, you can use tools like Web Catalog to wrap the web version into desktop app on Windows. This makes it feel more like a dedicated app than just a browser tab. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.